Welcome to WordPress plugin development tutorials. Today I will show you how to write a new plugin. So for that you need a fresh WordPress install and go to your you need to make the plugin folder. So go to your WordPress install and go to WP content, and here in plugins make a new folder, like new folder, call it as whatever you want. I'm making task manager, so jp task manager. So now we have made the folder. Now we'll add a file. I will go to my IDE, like I'm using Dreamweaver. You can use whatever you want and create a file. I will create a file from here, PHP file. So like in plugins I will refresh my local files, and here in task manager I will add new file, jp task manager dot php, and yeah, my file is ready. Now to make the plugin work, we have to add the header file for the plugin so that it can be displayed on the WordPress plugins menu here. So what we gonna our WordPress is not displayed here, like JP Task Manager is not displayed here because we have to add the plugin header files so that it displays here. So like we'll go to uh, codecs, like WordPress codecs documentation, and here like file header for plugin. This is the plugin file header example. I will copy this and walk you through afterwards. Yeah, so like whatever your plugin name, you have to write here your plugin name. I will write jp task manager. This will show on the WordPress plug on our site where the plugins are installed. Like a plugin URL, I will say jpateldesigns.com, and description, this plugin adds simple task manager to this WordPress site. We are having version 1.0. The author is Jay Patel. We don't need the domain path. The text domain is like the we need in registering the custom post type, so we will add jp task manager, and author URL will be same as plugin URL. That is optional, like all the parts are optional, only you need version, description, plugin URL, and plugin name. So now when I will save this and refresh our plugins, we will find our jp task manager here. You can activate it or deactivate it, like that is like good part of plugins. You can activate and deactivate anytime you want. It's kind of add-ons you are adding to your site. So we'll activate our plugin, and yeah, nothing shows up, but now whatever you code, like write your code here in the plugins for like in the file after the comment will show on, will work on the site. So next thing we're gonna do is add the custom post type for task managers. So I have code written here, so just I will use that to demonstrate you how to make custom post types. So we are adding action. So like what actions are, it's like telling WordPress what to do. So like when the WordPress is in it, you are calling the function called JP Task Manager in it, and in the JP Task Manager we have labels, like one array called labels, and other array for arguments. So here the name, so like um, the name custom post type is like you are adding one other post uh, post here, like other menu here for task managers. So the name would be the task manager. It's a general post type name, and the JP task manager is a text domain that we have here. Then we are using the singular name, like how when the single post would be there, what would be the name of that. Then what the menu name means, it's like very straightforward. You can see what the name on the menu bar itself, that would be the task manager. Then menu admin bar name means like whatever appears here on the and on the here, like instead of post media page, you will also have the task manager there. uh, Add new means like what would be the name where they add the new, where they add new, and that would be like add new task manager. Add new item on the page, it would say like add new task. New item would be the new task. Like it's very straightforward, like name suggests like edit item, it would show the name. Heading, where when you edit the item. View item, when you view the post, what would the name say. When you search the item, what would be the name of that heading. All that very simple. Then you need to add the arguments like labels and the description. So description is like what this does. So like add the task manager to WordPress. Like you want to show that in the menu, so as a so in user interface, you need to query the query. Rewrite we will say uh, JP task manager. What are the capabilities? What is the capability type? You can add either post or page. And to add the menu icons, so like go to the WordPress developer.wordpress.org and resources and dash icons. You will find the list of icons here. We will add the simple one, this task, the list, like list to view, dash icon list to view. And here So I added the list view icon. Now the supports are like what we want to show to the in the post type. So like title, editor, author, thumbnail. We don't need accepts and comments. Like you know what it is, like when you are a developer, so you know what it is. So now when I'm saving this and refreshing on the site, on our site, I get the task manager, all tasks and add new tasks. So like when I go here, this is the menu name, the icon is here, add new task. So when I click on that, I get title, uh, editor, image, and author. Then add new task when the task is test task, simple, and I publish it. And when I go to the all task, I get the uh, task manager. Oh, I misspelled it here. Task manager. And if I refresh, the task manager name is okay here, and you can see one published. You can do bulk updates, and yeah, that is it for the custom post types. And see you thanks for watching, guys. See you in next tutorial with custom taxonomies.